we'll guide you through how to remove a TikTok account from another device. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Sometimes you may have signed into your TikTok account on another device that you no longer want to use, or you simply want to check which devices are currently logged in. Here's how to manage that. Open TikTok and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Go into Security and Permissions. Tap Manage Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all devices currently signed into your account. Scroll to the device you want to remove, tap the trash icon on the right, and then press Remove. That's it. You can repeat these steps to remove additional devices. Your account will no longer be accessible from those devices.